Hello, I'm Mike Moeggenberg, Director of Facilities and Operations for Midland Public Schools. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of our new building at 215 Fast Ice Drive. Starting in here, we would have came in here, painted all the walls throughout this whole area. We would have moved around some ceiling tile that were damaged and replaced from other areas that matched up. In any areas that did not match up, we ended up replacing the ceiling tile in this area, which is the office area of Fast Ice. Then we moved in, painted everything in this area, changed all of our light bulbs, cleaned this whole area as we went. We had bus drivers, college students that helped us out cleaning. Actually, they did most of the cleaning. This area is the main entrance of Fast Ice. And we had a new fire alarm system to bring us up to code, school code, installed throughout the building. This is the main control panel. Pull stations, strobes throughout. As we finish areas, we would block these areas off. This office is one of the offices that's been finished. It's been painted, windows cleaned, everything cleaned, and then sealed off. It's ready to go. This is one of the conference rooms. And same thing here. New lights, new paint, clean the carpet. The only room in this area that we haven't totally finished is down here at the end. This room we had to replace. Our guys replaced the carpet in it. We still have to do the baseboard, new ceiling tile in here. This area has been all painted. Over the summer, we removed all the carpet in this area, ground off all the glue, and we just finished putting new LVT throughout this area. Our skilled trades group installed all this. So this area is pretty well ready to go. New lights, light bulbs, I should say, not new lights. New ceiling tile in here. Low maintenance. This was carpet before, like I said, but I was looking at something that was a little more low maintenance, easier to take care of, and not really knowing what was going to go in here. This would have been one of another old conference room. We painted this whole area. Same thing, new lights, and this also has new carpet in it. This area is still under construction. We're getting ready to put the same LVT tile down in here. Same thing, the floor has been all ground down, carpet removed, floor ground down, leveled out, crack sealed, and they are in the process of getting ready to lay LVT. This is our last of our large actual flooring project, so we hope to be done with this by the middle next week. This area was a computer where they filled prescriptions from the old building. Not really sure what it's going to be right now. We've cleaned it. Probably need to clean it again. But we really didn't do too much in there except for changing light bulbs, and like you can see, the paint and everything was painted in here also. The building was chipped up pretty bad. We had to paint probably 75% of it. And a lot of that was done during the summer, but we still have our painter out here working on doors and different items, doing punch list items. This is robotics area. Take you through a couple rooms that have been finished here, ready to go. These halls have been painted. Door has been painted. Doors were also painted on the outside of the building in the summer. They were pretty weathered. This is one of the robotics rooms. And we have another robotics room down here. Most likely these would be breakout rooms for them. This is robotic space also, a little larger space. We've just, bus drivers actually in the summer came through and they learned how to strip floors, and they stripped all of our floors, cleaned everything up for us, and this room is ready as far as we need to, as far as The ceiling tile are done, the lights are done. We just need to put new base in here and wax the floor. So we're kind of waiting for our construction to end before we get into any of that. We don't want to have to do it twice. And this is probably what the robotics are most interested in. Doors have been painted here, and we actually had this area has been diamond grinded and polished. Doors have been painted. The only thing we've got left in here would be new base. And then throughout the building, we put new thermostats, commercial thermostats that are programmable, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And they can actually, we can lock them out and they can raise, we can set what they can raise and lower the temperature in all these rooms. We've also had we brought in the company, our fire company, to come in and do inspections of all of our fire extinguishers, so that's been completed also. And this room is complete also. This is another breakout room, or whatever robotics want to make it into. This room's ready to go for them. Same thing, paint, ceiling tile, lights, wax on the floor, floor stripped and waxed. This goes into the pharmaceutical area, science area. I'm not really sure what this is going to be yet. As you can see, if you look in some of these areas back in here, kind of gives you an idea of what the shape of the building was before. Some of the walls and stuff we haven't finished in there. We wanted to get the robotics areas done first. This room is finished though, so you can kind of see the difference between the two rooms. And here we are coming into this is the lounge area and will be the main entrance for the robotics. And this is finished, ready to go. And same thing, ceiling tile, lighting, and everything painted and waxed, floor stripped and waxed.